This is my N20 size DC motor with a 3D printed housing. It is the smallest motor project I've ever done. I took it out of this old housing because it sounded like this. I tried adding some vent holes to it because when powered, it gets super hot, really quickly. For that reason, when testing, I can't have it away from the magnet for long, because if it's not spinning, it'll probably start smoking in under 30 seconds. Let's test it at 3.7 volts. When I get closer to the magnet, it slows down. When I get farther, it speeds up. It also becomes more unstable if I get too far. It spins very fast. Kind of getting hot. See if I can capture any good sparks. I see him. Not too good. It's still pretty bright for a small motor. I smell smoke. I think this is a pretty good motor. Like, it has high speed and high torque, but it does burn up fast, so it can't run for very long. If you want to see more experiments and 3D print builds, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I recommend checking out the playlist on the top right of the screen. That is where I do all of my most fun experiments.